right, let's do it. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. How much fun is this gonna be?
It's very fun. Money. I can smell the money already.
Just right here. Let's see, I guess. A wheel kit. Joint connectors like yours. Other. Look at that beauty.
No, this is a great machine.
All accessories with it. 98 pounds.
This is stronger than the other one, but it's like lighter, right? This is lighter?
Then what?
Like the 90, the
It's
other one?
98 pounds, exactly the same weight.
Same?
It does seem lighter, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think anything has changed, but yeah, it does seem lighter. Maybe 85 pounds or something. Let's check it out.
Oh yeah, I will. It's so different.
You want the box? Huh? You want to take it home?
You need it? Oh, I don't need it.
It's extra.
No.
If you need it, you can have it. If you not, I'll throw it away or keep it.
Yeah, I think you're gonna fit in my car.
Let's go test it real quick. Actually, let's test it right there. Let's grab the cords. These cords. Because that way we can test the cords too.
Oh, okay.
Because if something's wrong with the cords, you don't have to worry about it.
Yes.
You know, that machine. Yeah. You couldn't have the heater on.
Wow,
It's too
okay.
much power.
But believe it or not, you no, this is real. You sometimes real. Sometimes you don't need the heat. Okay, you understand?
Very rare.
Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. I do a hotel, right? I
We'll
did
run that all the way to the back. That is the circuit locator. Ready? You want to feel it?
Oh yes. You always this way. That's very strong. Oh, yeah.
You happy now?
Very
That's
happy.
what you wanted.
Yes, very happy.
You're in
Very
business
happy.
now.
Yes, I'm in business now. I went to the second level.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.